Instead of using the end of course evaluation sheet asking delegates to complete the form before they leave, try using fcf-online. In this demonstration I will show you how easy it is to create a questionnaire and distribute it electronically to the delegates. FCF will automatically track the return of the questionnaires and allow you to prepare reports in seconds that analyses the feedback of the delegates. You'll also be able to compare feedback over a period of time to track how successful your course or implementation programs have been. Within your FCF account, go to the training event feedback section to build your questionnaire. What we need to do first of all is build a template. Let's supposing we were going to evaluate the induction program. So we tell FCF that's which we want to call the questionnaire. FCF incorporates a standard 6-point rating scale. You can change this to suit your own specific purpose. The way you do this is you, for instance, if we wanted to reduce it to a 4-point rating scale, FCF will automatically recalibrate to reflect the fact that we've deleted 2 of the categories, or you might want to amend what one of the categories is described as, and you can do that as simply as this. And whether you want to set a benchmark line that appears in the final report is up to you. The benchmark line is very much a case of determining how you wish the results to be presented, above the line being acceptable, below the line scope for improvement. You can choose which categories you'd like to feature in your questionnaire. These are the standard ones, but you can add as many categories as you wish. Within each category there's a library of statements. Again, you can add your own statements either to the existing categories or to the categories that you've chosen to add. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll create a questionnaire that evaluates the trainer and the content of the training. FCF will then open up statements and ask you to select which statements you would like to include in your questionnaire. To select a given statement, simply click the checkbox to the side of the statement. Working through first of all the trainer ones, we can select any of the statements that we wish and then present the ones on the content of the training. Having selected the statements, we can then confirm the template. It's worth bearing in mind that FCF will allow you to add individual statements or statements en bloc if you wish. There is a separate demonstration to show you how to do this. At this stage, to confirm the template, FCF will then show us a summary of the statements that we have selected. What we can do is review the statements and either choose to add more or delete ones that we do not wish to include. For instance, if we wish to exclude this particular statement, move to the end of the line and over the icon we click, the screen will refresh and remove the unwanted statement from the questionnaire. You can also include your own logo in the questionnaire. The way you do this is simply tell FCF where to find it. It will then send the logo into the questionnaire, automatically resizing it so that it doesn't dominate too much space within the final questionnaire. Once you're ready, store the template, which is then ready for issue. You don't have to issue the questionnaire straight away. You can issue it whenever you choose and issue it multiple times. When you're ready to issue the questionnaire, tell FCF that you wish to do so and it will open up the issue survey screen for you. The screen divides the issue of the questionnaire into 9 groups. For instance, you might want to send questionnaires to groups that attended a course on the Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, etc. It enables you to split the questionnaires into the different respondent groups. If you want the questionnaires all to appear in the same order, then you must check this box here. Failure to do so will mean that each statements are randomised within the questionnaires so that no questionnaire automatically appears the same as the next one. To send the questionnaire, choose the delegates that you'd like to send the questionnaire to from your address book. So here what we're doing down the right hand side is checking the delegates that we would like to send the questionnaire to, and we tell FCF to add those delegates to the box in group 1, which happens to be the group of Monday delegates. So if we tell the FCF they're the Monday delegates, and if we wanted to then do something similar to the Tuesday delegates, what we could then tell FCF is these three here we add to the Tuesday group, which we need to name. Let's send the questionnaire out, and FCF will allow you to tailor-make the department from where it comes. For instance, you might want to say it comes from training design, and instead of just having the please complete survey, put induction program feedback. Making sure that you spell it correctly. The box here is the covering email that goes out, which basically invites the people to complete the questionnaire, explains the rating scale, and you can free text as much as you like to provide that instruction. When you're ready, you can send the email, but this box here is designed should you wish the name of the groups to appear in the email, for instance the Monday group or the Tuesday group, and then send. FCF then will send individual emails to each of those delegates. You can see from the screen that that's now been done. Individuals will receive the email with a link to open up a questionnaire that is unique to them, that will then be included in the eventual feedback report. That concludes this demonstration.